Hello everyone, welcome to this video guide. I will show you how you can book a flight ticket in Saudia Airlines. So friends, follow me in this video and let's get started. First, go to Google, search for Saudia Airlines for this keyword. Click this first website, this book flight website. Choose this from here. You can choose a round trip and you can use one way or city. For example, round trip, choose a destination here. Choose the location, for example, United Kingdoms. Choose the depart and arrival, for example, this one. So from the depart, choose this one to, for example, this data. So friends, and then search for flight. This is for search for flight, and then just wait to this is no flight found. So edit search, click on edit search. Choose the location here, for example, the United Saudi. Choose the depart and arrival. So, for example, the state, click search. So, and then just wait, you will see this edit search here. Choose the date, depart. So, when you choose the date, and then click on continue, for example, continue. So, this is for continue. After that, search for children. You can add edited and then search for flight. After that, you will redirect it to details. You can pay this flight ticket from here and then you can complete your process. As you can see here, choose amount here, choose all details, date, and then complete your booking process. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you soon. This is total the amount you should be.